Hey everyone, welcome to the Linguinist. So today I'll be making you understand why seven speaking is amazing asset even if you're a learner or a teacher, right? So firstly, I'll tell you once you have the seven speaking elements access, you will be getting this interface, right? This will ask you to take a small test in order to get your understanding, like it's a placement test, so that this tool customize your plan as per your level and the way of responses, right? If you're a complete beginner, you can simply mark as I am a absolute beginner. If you have done with certain even a single level also, you can start my test and accordingly you will get to know where you stand and what struggle and how you are reacting during the exam, right? So today I'll be walking through with the French module for which I've already taken the exam. So once the screen is loading, right, it will take few seconds to get loaded in. So today agenda, I'll just make you understand what I'll be talking to you. So this is roadmap I have designed for A1 to B2 because right now we are targeting and we are helping on request of A1 to B2 specifically for TEF, TCF and DELF students, right? In order to make them happy with the Canada PR or when it comes to DELF B2 so that they can easily attain the opportunity. So definitely life coaching is very much needed, right? But seven speaking such LMS, it's very much needed if you are a learner or a teacher in order to make sure maintain the discipline in your learning or even if in your teaching. So obviously life coaching helps you in the concept explanation, but obviously when it comes to the activities, additional practices, seven speaking is the amazing tool. We will be seeing like how it will be working out. Speaking correction, definitely life coach can give you the better understanding as per the actual level. But when it comes to the listening exposure, this needs discipline and you have to be with seven speaking only. Writing feedback, definitely life coach will be giving the amazing feedback based on your write-ups and giving you understanding your pain or difficulty where you get stuck. With vocabulary expansion, you can use this amazing LMS. Exam strategy, your trainer will be make sure making you understand in an amazing way, but repetition and doing additional exercises, you need such LMS. Personalized guidance, definitely life coach can help you with that, but daily discipline can be maintained with seven speaking. Let's see how it works. So once you take your placement test, right, you will be seeing this interface. They will be customizing your program, which means so wherever you stand, according to you will be getting some recommendation, right? But definitely, and if you're a complete beginner, you can simply mark as a complete beginner and your interface will unlock and you will start seeing this page and you will start with, right? So firstly, I'll be understanding as per the level basis, right? So A1 is the foundational level. So definitely I'll be sharing this document at the end of the video so that you can use it with your student, with your learners, even with like in your learning journey, in your training journey, you can definitely use this. So you will be seeing what all grammar topics needs to cover, right? What all oral topics you should know, writing topics you should know when it comes to the specific level, right? Even I have given the proper objective class structure, what should you can do, vocabulary themes you should know, right? Speaking development, writing task, everything it's already there. And what is the seven speaking role, right? So firstly, you have to walk with, for example, if you're starting with A1, which is like absolute beginner module, right? So this will take few seconds to get loaded in, right? You will be seeing the amazing content available with the numbering, like few basic expressions, nationality, alphabet, numbers, everything is totally available, right? And it says, for example, let's start with nationality just to understand like how it works and how it looks like, right? So you can simply
Bonjour et bienvenue au cours.
the best part is ki if you want, you can on the subtitles, if you wish, you can close the subtitles also, and even the script is also available, which means the transcript, right?
Cours de français débutant de Seven Speaking. Je m'appelle Claire et je suis française. Aujourd'hui, nous allons étudier les nationalités.
And the best part is the content is created by with official trainers and examiners, so it is amazing. You will be finding the authenticity of the content also, right? Let's go to the next version just to understand like how it looks like, right? Italian and all. And you will be seeing the comprehension test also, right? So it is based on vocabulary, what all vocabularies you have learned, and the comprehensions, right? Based on the text and everything, correct? So you can simply drag it and validate your response in order to understand where you stand. So you will be seeing this 30 lessons of basic you should know if you are in A1 level, right? Like you should know each and everything properly and accurately. If you get any difficulty, please take a help from your life coach, right? Now let's switch to the listening modules, right? This is the majorities are vocabulary and understanding the frames and everything. Even then you can switch to grammar, because before writing and speaking you must know the grammar things, right? So just 1 second, it's getting loaded, right? Because they do have multiple like amazing content available on this tool. So because I'm switching very fastly, so that's why it takes few seconds, right? So the topics are available with the numbering. Obviously we can understand that the initial topics are of A1, and eventually the topics upgrades, the level also upgrade. If you want to know which topic I have to do in A1 level, definitely I have marked each and everything available, right? Here it is, the grammar topic. So you can take the reference and you can do the practice, right? For the clear explanation, definitely you can take the help of your trainer, right? So there is a document, lesson, practical case, and the quiz. All three things are embedded in this part. So you will be amazed. Practice your grammar and do the exercises to get better understanding, and then start with a write up thing. And listening is also, guys, very much important. So I'll tell you like how you can listen to the multiple documents. So there is a amazing gallery, right? So this starts with the levels. All it starts from A1 and it goes till C2. So I've tick marked both video text. For example, if you want just comprehension écrite, which is like passage and then you have to solve the questions, or like comprehension, or like by video watching, you will be doing this listening activities, right? So you can choose whichever you want, and there is an amazing list of all the necessary categories. Whichever you wish to, you can choose it, right? So for example, let me take an example of A1 plus like A2 level. So I'll be choosing any one module just to make sure like how it works and how you can do that. For example, if I play this thing, right? So I simply play the video.
L'armée néerlandaise compte désormais une nouvelle recrue de marque, la reine Maxima, 54 ans, épouse d'origine argentine du
And like every video is marked with the numbers. According to the number, you will get to know their levels. Like everything is available on the tool itself if you have any doubt difficulty. Subtitles you can on off, and the transcript also available. The amazing feature which I love the most is you can click on any word, right? You will get the proper understanding. Nederlandse c'est an adjective for Dutch. No masculine, langue, Dutch. And this is integrated with Collins, the dictionary of Collins, which is again well known. So every content gives the authenticity and the correct accuracy, and you will be getting the comprehension test. Whatever you see, you will be having the vocabulary test, grammar, comprehensions, and accordingly you can validate your response in order to understand where you make the mistakes. So in this case, what you can do is you can choose your levels. Accordingly you can do like daily 15-20 minutes you have to spend on this, You will be doing listening for sure, because again, with the consistency only you can maintain your level, right? And even they do have video by topics also, right? Like each and every topic, each and every specific niche is available. For example, if I talk about luxury, right? So you will be seeing even the video markups, like video numberings, gives an understanding what this level stands for, right? So this levels gives a proper understanding, and accordingly you can prepare it up. Okay. Like each and everything, like every video consists of scripts also, which helps us the comprehension, because reading also again important in your daily learning programs. And apparently the vocabulary list, one second, even if you want, you have mm, like here it is under vocabulary workshop. So all vocabulary lists are available with the given topics, right? So from going from levels, even the business terms are available, survival kits are available. So you can simply mark it out. Even if you talk about my vocabulary list, where you can add a word or generate a quiz also for your understanding, even for your student also, that also can be doable in this part. Pronunciation and phonetics, guys. This is amazing and very much needed if you're starting your journey. If you have any doubt, difficulties, you have to revise and repeat again and again, right? In proper understanding. For example, like tongue twister, if we see, so you will be seeing the proper audios and interlinked. Like all sound combinations are everything is covered in this tool, right? Mute and is ch pronouns like k, right? Sure, every sound is covered correctly, right? So when you talk about the levels, so obviously you should know the grammars, vocabulary, right? When it comes to oral and writing, you can practice with your teacher because you need that live feedback. And when it comes to the listening, seven speaking is doing the fabulous job. So you have to do this thing. So for example, if you're taking 3 to 4 classes with your teacher and doing rest of the activities on seven speaking on daily basis, you can fast track your learning journey and maintain the discipline and decorum in your learning plan. So this is the way you will be copy pasting and following regards to A2 level, B1 level, and then B2 level, right? This is how you will be upgrading. Though this platform consists and helping you till C2 level. For example, after doing B2 level, you need specifications for DELF, TEF, or TCF. Then I would recommend you the tool use Prep My Future, which helps you for real exam styles, right? Real exam style mocks and exercises regards to DELF, TEF, TCF, even DFP, which is Diplôme Français Professionnel. So this way you can adapt and make sure you can use with your student also. So this is very generous and at very affordable pricing style. So you definitely, like, everyone can easily have it. And one more feature, because this is my demo module. So there is one more feature here. I'll just quickly create my pencil just to make sure. Here you will be seeing more three options like book, book, live, group lessons. No limitations, guys. You can book like any group lessons, whichever you want. You are thinking, okay, this group lesson is very much needed. You can definitely, right? Chat with expert. You can chat. You can even raise your doubt difficulties if you're having any doubt difficulty regards to any question, right? You can chat with expert also. They will be responding as per their given tasks, right? And even you can chat with your community people also, right? So there is like feed, like Similar to Facebook timeline, you will be uploading the status and people are responding and commenting, right? And they are correcting you, helping you out. So you can have this fabulous option also available on this paid modules. So students are already enjoying, even a lot of students are under wants to understand ki Saurabh, how this works. So that's why I'm just creating this demo module for them so that they can easily adapt and make sure they will do the amazing learning and amazing training for their students and for their learning pattern. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. If you find any doubt, difficulties, feel free to comment down on this below video. So we are ready to and we are happy to help you regards to any demo needed or probably any plans needed. And if you want this proper plan document, please feel free to comment below so that my team will send you directly on your email. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.